Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, standard 2nd, semester 2nd book. Yesterday what we have completed? We have completed activity language third one. In that third one, first, second, third one. That is what will you need to do following things. Give 4 examples for each. Speaking skill, narrate any story in the class. Activity grammar, prepositions, page number 31. Page number 31. Yes. Open page number 31, all children. See here. Activity grammar, preposition. Read and remember. Prepositions are words that shows position, location, time and direction. Prepositions are words that show position, location, time and direction. Preposition that shows location. Prepositions that show location. Shanaya and Samir are searching for their pet, Tinky. It is a little pup. Fill in the blanks with words that show where Tinky is. Fill in the blanks with words that show where Tinky is. So, these are the words: on, behind, over, near, in front of, in, under, inside, between, on, top, of. These are the words you have to fill the blanks. See here. Tinky is dash the basket. Tinky is dash the basket. What will you write here? Tinky is, it is out or in? Just tell me now. It is in, no? Right. Tinky is in the basket. In the basket. Where you can see it? It is in the, yes or no? In. Then, Tinky is dash the garbage bin. Where is it? Tinky is inside. Tinky is here. Tinky is inside. In, S-I-D-E, inside. Tinky is dash the house. Tinky is here. Tinky is behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Here. Behind. You find out from in this place only. Don't search here and there. In this place only. They have given the bracket, no? From the bracket you find out. Tinky is dash the shade under. Right here, U-N-D-E-R, under the shade. Then Tinky is dash the shade and the tree. Shade and the tree. There, what you should write? Between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Tinky is dash the house. Tinky is dash the house. Front. Right here. Front. F-R-O-N-T. F-R-O-N-T. Is oh, see. In. Tinky is in red. IN in, then front FRONT, front OF of the house. Tin key is in front of the house. Tin key is jumping dash the chair. Dash the chair. Seer. Over. OVER. Over the chair. Tin key is jumping over the chair. Tin key is dash the roof of the house. Roof. घर के roof means ऊपर. घर के ऊपर. On the top of. Yes. Tin key is on the top of. On THE the top of the roof of the house. On the top of the roof of the house. Then prepositions that show time and directions. Time and direction. Choose the correct preposition from the box below and fill in the blanks. Now we have completed what? Have you understood this fill in the blanks? Tin key is in the basket. Tin key is inside the garbage tin. Tin key is behind the house. Tin key is under the shade. Tin key is between the shade and the tree. Tin key is in front of the house. Tin key is in front of the house. Then tin key is jumping over the chair. Tin key is on the top of the roof of the house. Now preposition that shows time and direction. Choose the correct preposition from the box. This is the box, and fill in the box below and fill in the blanks. From, in, after, to, near, at, on, through, far, into, for. A trip to Ooty. So I will read and fill the dash. Our school planned a trip dash Ooty dash May 2nd, 2014. Our school planned a trip. What will you write here? To. T-O. To. Ooty. On you write. On May 2nd, 2014. Our bus passed through THROUGH through. See here. THROUGH through many tunnels. TUNNELS. See here. Our bus passed through many tunnels. We reached Ooty. We reached Ooty at 2 o'clock. We stayed in the Grand Chariot Hotel. The Grand Chariot Hotel dash 8 days. For 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 8 days. This hotel was dash. This hotel was, here write, near the main market. This hotel was near the main market. We saw many children from, here dash is there, no, FROM, from different parts of India. Our teachers organized a campfire, campfire. After, right here, AFTER, after dinner. We visited dinner. We visited many places that were far from FROM, from our hotel, from our hotel. We returned to Bangalore with sweet memories. We returned to Bangalore with sweet memories. Have you got it? Yes. So see here, a trip to Ooty, the fill in the blanks is filled. Once again I will read. Our school planned a trip to Ooty on May 2nd, 2014. Our school bus passed through many tunnels. We reached Ooty at 2 o'clock. We stayed in the Grand Chariot Hotel for 8 days. This hotel was near the main market. We saw many children from different parts of India. Our teachers organized a campfire after dinner. We visited many places that were far from our hotel. We returned to Bangalore with sweet memories. Now challenge. Write 5 sentences using different preposition in your notebook. Different prepositions in your notebook. Yes, this is the challenge. Write 5 sentences using different prepositions in your notebook. This is the answer. My father, FATHER, father went to work. My father went to work. Okay. He traveled, TRAVELLED, traveled by a bus, BUS, bus. Here you have to underline, my father went to. Then here he traveled by. Then he reached his office. He REACHED, reached, HIS, his, OFFICE, office, before, BEFORE, before his boss, BOSS, boss. Okay. He settled in his chair. He settled, SETTLED, settled in his, 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 in, underline, in his chair, CHAIR, full stop. His office, HIS, his, OFFICE, office, IS, is 2 kilometers, METRS, meters, away, AWAY, away from, 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 dash to from, our, OUR, our house, HOUSE, house. Okay. Now see here. Write 5 sentences using different prepositions in your notebook. My father went to work. My father went to work. He traveled by a bus. He reached his office before his boss. He settled in his chair. His office is 2 kilometers away from our house. The prepositions to, by, before, in, from. These are the sentence which I have given you with the prepositions. We have written. These things you write in your 4-line book. In your 4-line book correctly you write. As soon as you write neatly, as soon as you complete this, a trip to Ooty in this, you also write in your 4-line book also. Have you understood? Okay. So, the lessons and the question answers of Fulfi, very good. No. Self-help is the best help. We have completed the portion with the question answers. So, today what I have completed, page number 31 and 32. Whatever I given, write for 3 times and learn by heart. Write for 3 times and learn by heart. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.